Okay, welcome. I made this video to show you a project that I would like to pitch to you and see if this would be something that would be valuable to you as well as my high school students. I know it will be valuable to my high school students because we experienced this on a field trip to Columbia College Hollywood. And if we could bring this environment and this education and this hands-on experience to the high school setting, I think it would be awesome. And there's nothing that I know of that's doing this right now. So take a look. Okay, first up, we broke up into two groups. One group went and toured the college, and the other group went and filmed this short little 1-minute film. This is the set of a bus stop, and it's about Little Red Riding Hood going to grandma's to deliver some things. And first up was a little introduction to the crew and about what we were going to be experiencing. So these are my students right here listening. All right, so this is the scene. Just a simple little set.
I know that I can just go over the board over there. It's 12 out too, so.
Okay. I think we'll have to come from
Each student had to decide what position they wanted to learn for the day, what job they wanted to learn. So here are the list of jobs coming up here. So we had to assign each student a job. They had to know what their job was, and then they were trained on the job with the college students. And then here's the script. It's basically a 1-minute short film, like a MadLib. The kids had to fill in all the blanks ahead of time and then bring the props with us to the college. And so there was time for rehearsing, and then there was time to shoot the video. All right, we're here with Balthazar, first assistant director. So tell me what your lines are.
My lines are last looks, quiet on set, we're going for a take, roll sound, roll camera, mark it, sound set, camera set, and that's a cut.
Okay, so like right here.
All right, so what up, guys?
What's up, man?
How's it going? Are you the first AC?
Yeah, first assistant. You know, we're working on this film here. You know, we got
What's your job?
Focus puller at the moment.
Move the jaw like that, the lens right here.
All right, so your job is to make sure
Everybody's in focus, looking crispy clear.
Nice. And you, Stacy?
I'm the main camera operator.
Yeah. We got Red and the cop rehearsing their lines.
7 eyes and sounds like a siren.
Squeaker toy, and scythe. That's when we start panning away, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, so we'll pan away. So it's like what, like 5 seconds?
And I'll give you cues like go. Or...
Cool. So like 5 seconds. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Let's go this way. Okay.
All right.
So Katie, did you get all lined up? What's your job?
Prop master. I said
Yeah. You guys all part of the same department?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're art department as
Oh,
a
nice.
whole. Yeah, so
I deal with the costumes.
Oh, look, I gotta go. That scared me more than I scared.
And this is for you to watch as well. So Miranda, really quick, this is your script supervisor. She's like your right-hand lady. She's here to help you manage your dialogue. She's here to make sure that your actors say the same dialogue between every single take. She's also here to make sure that all of the action is consistent from shot to shot, and that no props are out of place, no hair is out of place, no wardrobe's out of place, right? So she's here to make sure that all that happens. Also, she's here to communicate to your editor. So when you like a shot that we take, tell her, and she'll circle it and she'll send it to the editor.
Okay.
Cool? So we'll work on that. Cool? Okay, I think we're ready for a take, Balthazar.
Okay.
And then it tells
Last looks.
Roll sound. Roll camera.
Camera speeding.
Mark it.
Scene 1B, take 3.
Sound set.
Not that.
Camera set.
Camera set.
And action.
Hi, I'm Officer Skibbles. Where are you going tonight?
I'm going to Grandma's to deliver a taboo buzzard, a severed arm, and
Hold. Let's reset, please.
Thank you, Slade.
Action. Hi, I'm Officer McSkibbles.
How do you want to do that?
Like, there's a lot of rules that like babies can only be on under those hot lights for like 15 minutes, and then they can't be on it.
Headless horseman on the loose.
A headless horseman?
He has furry hands, 4 eyes. It sounds like a rooster.
How do you know so much about it? Oh, look, gotta go.
Great job, guys. That was
That's a wrap.
awesome.
Sorry, cut it off too soon.
I know a lot of information all at once.
You flipped it, right? Proud of you.
Yeah.
Good job. All right.
Yeah.
Nice. Good job, Red.
Can't wait to see
Hello, I'm Officer McSlipslop. Where are you going tonight?
I'm going to my grandma's to deliver a scythe, a brick, and a squeaky toy.
You have to be careful. There's a headless horseman on the loose.
A headless horseman?
It has furry hands, 4 eyes, and sounds like a rooster.
How do you know so much about it? Oh look, gotta go.
This took place at Columbia College Hollywood in about 1 or 2 hours. So you can see it was such a valuable learning experience, a hands-on learning experience for the students. Everybody was engaged, everybody participated, and it was just incredible. So how could we bring this awesome learning experience to high schools? Think about it. I think it will be great.